Arbitrage process. So in this video we will know what is arbitrage and its process in future markets. So what is arbitrage process or arbitrage? Here arbitrage is nothing but simultaneous buying and selling of securities or maybe currency or maybe commodities in different markets in order to take advantage or benefit of different prices for the same asset. Here buying and selling processes occurred to earn the profit. How profit is earned? Due to the price difference in the different markets for the same product. That is called as arbitrage process. Now let's see one problem. Calculate the forward price on 6-month contract. Time is given, that is 6 months, on a share which is expected to pay no dividend. Here there is no income. No income means F0 is equal to S0 into e to the power RT, the first step which I have explained, during the period and which is available at rupees 75. It is a spot price given that the rate of interest is 8% per annum, that is R is given, T is given, also spot price is given. You just need to calculate future price. See the question, mention your action as an arbitrage when the forward price would be rupees 78.25 and rupees 74. So let's see the solution. Spot price is 75. Solution. So write down the first given data. Whatever data is given in the problem, write down here. Spot price is given, that is rupees 75. Time is given 6 months. It means 6 divided by 12. We will get 0.5. Next, rate of interest is given, that is 8%. 8 divided by 100, we will get 0.08. We need to calculate future price. In the problem, it is mentioned that no dividend during the period. It means no income. Then we have to follow the first step. And if the dividend is given in the problem, means income is getting from the securities, then the second step we have to follow. The formula is F0 is equal to S0 minus I into e to the power RT. Here income, how you will calculate income? Income is equal to I into e to the power minus RT. The income is given in the problem. If there is a yield percentage is given in the problem, then you have to use the third step. Yield percentage is given, then the third step, the formula for third step is F0 is equal to S0 into e to the power R minus Y into T. This formula should be used. In this problem, there is no dividend is given. No dividend means no income. Then we have to follow the first step. The formula is F0 is equal to S0 into e to the power RT. Here put the all information given in the problem, that is the spot price 75 into e to the power R is given, that is 8%, 0.08, and time is 0.5. F0 is equal to 75 into 1 plus multiply this 0.08 and 0.5, we will get 0.04. F0 is equal to 75 into, add this 1 plus 0.4, we will get 1.04. Then future price is equal to rupees, multiply this 75 into 1.04. 04 rupees 78. We will get the future price, that is rupees 78. We need to mention our action as an arbitrager when the forward price will be rupees 78.25 and rupees 74. Now we have calculated that forward price rupees 78, and in the first step, see the price 78.25 and the spot price is 75. It is more than the spot price and it is more than this forward price whatever we have calculated, so we will buy here. Okay, next second step, we have to short sell because it is less than the spot price, means selling to buy in a future. So see the first step, arbitrage process. If the forward price is rupees 78.25, here we are going to purchase the underlying asset to sell in a future. After 6 months we are going to sell. So see the first step, that is arbitrage process. If the forward price is rupees 78.25, see the actions. First A, borrow the 75, borrow the rupees 75 for 6 months at 8%. We are going to borrow the rupees 75 for 6 months at 8%. Next, per annum. B, the second step we are going to take, that is purchase the underlying asset. We are purchasing today to sell in the future. So the third step will be enter into a forward contract. Enter into a forward contract to sell the underlying asset. To sell the underlying asset at when underlying asset at rupees 78.25 after 6 months. After 6 months. Next step will be after 6 months sell the underlying asset. Sell the underlying asset and realize rupees 78.25. Rupees 78.25. Next, repay the loan. We are borrowed amount, so we have to repay the loan. Repay the loan with interest rupees 78. We have borrowed rupees 75 for 6 months. It will be with interest 78. So the last step is we have to know how much profit we can earn. Arbitrage profit. How you will calculate? 78.25 we are going to sell and we have to pay rupees 78 as a repay the loan. So the difference is 0.25. We are earning arbitrage profit rupees 0.25 in the first step. Now we have to mention our action as an arbitrage for rupees 74. Now see second step, arbitrage process. If the forward price is rupees 74, is rupees 74. price is how much? 75. And in second question, its future price is 74. It is less than the spot price as well as future price, whatever we have calculated with interest. So we are going to sell today or we are going to short sell, and in future we are buying the underlying asset. We will get profit through this. Okay, see the steps. First, A, short sell 1 unit of underlying asset. At which price we are selling? Short selling at today's spot price, that is rupees 75 for 6 months at 8% per annum. We are short selling today. Second step, enter into future contract. We are going to buy in the future. We are short selling today and in future we are going to buy after 6 months. Okay, enter into future contract to buy the underlying asset, in future at rupees 74 after 6 months. We are going to buy. Next, after 6 months, what we have to do? Buy the underlying asset. In second B step, we enter into contract. In C step, we buy that whatever agreed contract at rupees 74 and pay 74. We paid 74. And the fourth step, close whatever first step that we have to close here. Close the short sell position or short position and realize how much? 78 with interest for 6 months. How much it will be? Rupees 78. 74, whatever we have calculated the for future price. So it will be, future price will be 78. It means we are getting 78 rupees amount. Realize the amount rupees 78. So arbitrage profit 78 minus how much we paid for buying the asset? 74. So less 74. We get arbitrage profit rupees 4. This is an arbitrage profit when the future price is rupees 74. Now it is a similar problem. From the following information, state arbitrage process. If the future price is rupees 4,100 and 4,050, spot price is given, rate of interest is also given, and time to expire is given. All the data is given. Now just it is a similar problem. Solve it and send me the answer and comment me whether you understand or not.